though, y'all. So we got this shit on lock, alright?
I heard y'all came to party tonight. I said I heard y'all came to party tonight. How many of y'all out there been rolling us with since 1991? I see y'all out there. Y'all ready to jam tonight? I said, are y'all ready to jam tonight?
Hey, Trigger Track.
Yes, sir.
I know it's a Thursday night, but I know these people who came out here, they came to party with us tonight, y'all right?
Flavor Unit in the building. Flavor Unit is in the motherfucking building.
If you came to party tonight, somebody say party! Say party! It goes for one, it goes for two, it goes for 1, 2, 3, motherfuckers, y'all hands in the air. Like this, yeah. You wanna get to it, oh yeah! See y'all go, what it look like